The Technical would have come into today's contest with their 4-1 defeat in the Ben Francis Cup final still fresh in their minds. Dintil scored first on that occasion, but it was Clarendon College who were on the score sheet first this time around, thanks to their marksman Nicky Daly, who broke the deadlock in the 20th minute.
Youth representative gives Clarendon College the opener, and it comes after 19 minutes. Nicky Daly slots that one home for number 20 of the season.
Lamar Walker then put Clarendon College 2 goals up thanks to a brilliant free kick in minute 36. But Dintil would fight back through talisman and senior reggae boy representative Kahim Paris. Paris was brought down in the box in the 41st minute and calmly converted the resultant spot kick. The game opened up and CC restored their 2-goal advantage, with Ricardo McIntosh getting on the score sheet in the 52nd minute. Shamari Davis then pulled Dintil to within a goal once again in the 63rd, but Clarendon College quickly hit back, with Daly netting his second of the contest after beating the Dintil goalkeeper to the ball.
This is where the danger is, when Nicky Daly gets to the end of it. Clarendon College 2 goes to the good yet again. Nicky Daly on the score sheet yet again.
Lamar Walker then got his second and Clarendon College's fifth to kill the game off in the 74th minute.
Look at it first time up, missed out, and now Dintil they give the ball away, so the goalkeeper could be called into action early, and he doesn't do very well because it's now 5-2 in favor of Dintil, in favor of Clarendon College rather, and it's Walker who gets his second. So the first job for goalkeeper Troy Taylor will be to pick up the ball out of the back of the net.
And guess what? It's another 5-star performance in the second semi-final as Rossies led 2015 champions St. Elizabeth Technical 5-1 at sports time. In that encounter, we now join our live coverage on TVJSN. So Rossies leading 5-1 in that encounter. The winner faces, of course, Clarendon College in the final. And the two finalists of the Isoflow Manning Cup will be decided on Wednesday following the semi-finals at the National Stadium.
Title holders Jamaica College are still smarting from their Super Cup defeat to Kingston College, but coach Michael Coley says that will only make them stronger as the main objective of the season is still yet to be met.
Manning Cup being the priority and how important it is for us. It's always difficult, yes, but I said based on the body language of the players, based on what we talk to them, they're seeing this going forward to be motivated against the Holy Trinity team.
They must pass a spirited Holy Trinity team to reach the last two. But what is Coley seeing in Holy Trinity? A rested team or a match rusty one?
It can be a mix of both, but I know they're a quality team. They have been playing good football, and at the same time they haven't been conceding a lot of goals. So that's something that we have to look at. And in the early season they score a lot of goals, but in the latter part they weren't scoring a lot of goals.
Don't expect Holy Trinity to lie down like they did last season, taking a 5-0 beating from Jamaica College at this very stage.
I can tell you this, if Holy Trinity show up Wednesday, it will be a sight for sore eyes. The good thing about it, these are the same boys that went there last year.
JC may have banked the title already this season, but that doesn't frighten Holy Trinity.
We have our goal set on the Manning Cup title from we enter this year, and that's our main focus. We are not worried about the opponent or care much about what they are doing. We are just focusing on what we are supposed to do Wednesday.
KC are on a high after beating Jamaica College on Saturday. They even have a pep in their step, but Coach Ludlow Bernard knows nothing has been won as yet.
The confidence has certainly soared a bit more, but of course it has to be tempered because we want to ensure that composure remains and that we need to deal with reality. The team that we're up against is a very good team. Clearly they must have some ambitions of their own. They must have also some qualities for them to be at this stage of the game.
Going up against Stats pit two schools that haven't won the title in 31 and 30 years. For Stats, they haven't won a game in regulation time in their last 8 matches, but Coach Philip Williams says the team is not all about defense.
It's a combination of both defensive and attacking play. We have a complete team. which plays all-round total football, and all the units are geared at defending what we have and also seeking attacking opportunities whenever they come by us.
Coach Williams may be in his first season among the big boys, but don't expect to see his heart beating through his shirt.
No, be the rookie among the 4 courses. No, I'm not intimidated. We are very confident in what we are doing here and the squad that we have, and we should do well on the day.
JC will meet Holy Trinity in the opener at 5 o'clock before KC takes on Stats in the feature. Hits 92 FM, TVJ and TVJSN will have live coverage of the games.
The Prime